guys,
Welcome back.
and welcome to Luxor. In the next 5 days, we will sail the Nile River all the way to Aswan.
We're now on one of the most luxurious cruises here called Soleil Cruise. And we're gonna experience a bit of everything from sightseeing to beautiful temples and the beautiful Nile, of course. After an amazing flight over the Valley of the Kings, it's time to visit it. There are a total of 65 tombs here, but around 14 are only open to the public, and we're gonna visit 3 of them. So starting now with Memphis, I think the third, and let's go down and show you. So basically they limit the people to 3 tombs entries per visit because basically our breath ruins the paintings, ruins the stones, damages it, so they try to limit it. Definitely beautiful to see, to preserve the colors you see above me. The gold is so preserved, and they also have a glass here that prevents like our breath going towards it.
Our last stop here on the West Bank is Hatshepsut Temple.
It's basically a queen that played a role as a king to dominate it, and she was technically the stepmother, and the whole story behind it, after the son, the original king to be, became king, he destroyed most of her faces around here. Also see a big part which started the export of Egypt from animals to different kind of stuff. You can still see it.
Also a very big part of the temple is restored, so not all the parts you see are original, but it's still beautiful to see how it was back in the days.
We're now back in the boat, and it's time to have an amazing lunch buffet here, from everything from kofta, from salads to a moussaka. Looks amazing, and the grill is there in the back, so we're excited now to go eat some. So let's start it.
Our first stop on the East Bank is Karnak. It's already our 3rd time here, and it's our first time with a tour guide, so I'm super excited to learn more of this stunning temple. It's the largest religious building ever built. last visit of the day is Luxor temple. We took quite long at Karnak temple, so it's already dark, but it's even more beautiful with all the lights. After a beautiful morning sailing along the Nile River, we are now at Edfu Temple, and 95% of the temple is still original. It's just incredible to walk around here. After a short boat ride, we are now on Angelica Island, which belongs to Philae Temple, but back in the days it was over there on Philae Island. You can still see the steel in the water, but they brought it on the island because it was underwater, of course. And the temple belongs to Isis.
Guys, we are now here in the Nubian village, and it's also our last destination here.
Our last stop and our last sunset.
So, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures.